To give you guys an idea of like some of the best offers that I've ran in the past for clients, and basically these ones you could literally copy and paste and it will definitely work for your brand. And in no particular order, the first one I wanted to talk about was free next day shipping. Or if you're in the US, most likely it's going to be free 2-day shipping or something along those lines. Basically, people love to have things instantly, right? Especially if it's like a low ticket purchase. They bought it on impulse, so they want it to arrive as soon as possible. This is super simple to understand, right? So that's why a free next day shipping offer works incredibly well, especially if you're in a store with an average order value of between kind of like $30 to $80. This offer works incredibly well. Another offer that works really well, and it's basically like a percentage discount, but the reason why I prefer it over a percentage discount is the fact that you can use it to increase average order value. And that is the buy X get Y free. So it's basically things like buy 2 get 1 free, buy 3 get 1 free, buy 1 get 1 free. And if you really think about it, it's basically the same as a percentage discount. Whereas, for example, your average order value is like $100. If each product costs $50, so they buy on average 2 products, if you do buy 3 get 1 free, you're essentially giving away a 25% discount, except you're raising your average order value by $50. So to work out what this percentage discount is, it's basically Y, so the thing that, the number that you're giving away for free, over X plus Y times 100. And that roughly gives you the percentage discount. Now, most likely, if you're selling multiple SKUs, what's gonna happen is people are gonna buy, different things at different price points. But then all the time you would basically just make the cheapest item for free. So essentially 25% in this case, in the buy 3 get 1 free case, is the max amount of discount that you could possibly be giving away with this offer. More realistically, what's gonna happen is people are gonna order, 3 high value items plus 1 medium value item. And then overall, you're looking at about a 15 to kind of like 20% discount if you're doing a buy 3 get 1 free. If you're doing like a buy 2 get 1 free, then obviously the discount 33% max. So just kind of work it out and think about like what you're willing to give away. So for example, when you asked yourself, what can you actually afford to give away to increase your conversions? If that answer was 25%, then you could even consider running a buy 2 get 1 free offer if you're selling multiple SKUs at different price points, just because on average, you're gonna be giving away around a 25% discount, if that makes sense, for an increased average order value. So next is for every order, the customer gets a free gift. So basically you're just adding an additional item into whatever order that people buy from you. So this is super powerful for getting rid of dead stock. So if you're selling, for example, last year we were working with a supplement brand and they had a supplement that they wanted to change the formula of, but before they could get the new formula in, they had to get rid of all of the old formula. So what we did was we just bundled that as a free gift with every order, and it worked incredibly well. So this can be used to get rid of dead stock or to basically just liquidate whatever stock that you want. And it works incredibly well, especially when you don't have like a minimum order threshold. So you want to be doing this to kind of give back to your customer and give them some free value. And if it's a free product, people love free, right? That's law number 3. Next is the simple percentage discount. Now, a percentage discount works incredibly well for kind of like low average order value stores. For example, a 10% discount is going to sound a lot better for a store with a $35 average order value compared to $3.5 off for a store with an average order value of like $35, right? They both give the exact same discount, but you can see how 10% sounds a lot more significant than 3.5. And this is what I'm saying when I say people are bad at maths. They don't actually make the calculation and the mental connection. Whereas let's say a 10% discount for an average order value store of, let's say, $2,000 is not gonna sound as good as giving away a $100 discount, right? Because 100 sounds more than 10, even though that 10% is actually double of what the fixed amount discount is. Which brings me to the second way of doing like a percentage discount, and that is the fixed amount discount. So when you do the fixed amount discount, you've really got to be wary of how much you're actually giving away. So what I would do when it comes to giving away a fixed dollar discount is I would look at what your average order value is, and determine whether it makes sense to do a percentage discount or a dollar amount. So for example, if your average order value is $200, let's say, right? You can give away a $20 discount, and that would probably sound a lot better than a 20% discount. You see what I mean there? Or a $15 discount, accounting for, you know, when you have that free coupon, people are going to be wanting to spend it more, so they would be more inclined to do a smaller order with your store. So yeah, these 5 offers that I just gave you work all incredibly well and are super high converting when you're running it, especially the latter 4. So free next day shipping is only a great incentive if you're doing like an email campaign. Whereas if you really want to make top of funnel cold traffic work better, then buy X get Y free, order with a free gift, percentage discount, and a dollar amount discount works incredibly well for converting cold traffic. Now, a cheeky hack that I've seen a lot of brands do, and the way a lot of brands are actually able to afford to give massive discounts, like 50, 60% discounts, is through this strategy right here. And it's basically they have what's known as a high anchor price. So an anchor price is basically when, you know on Shopify they have like, oh, the comparison price of, let's say, $100, right? And then they strike that through and then say now it's 79. Yeah, so this is what's known as anchoring. The store has anchored the consumer's mind on, hey, this product is worth $100. And you want to do the same. So I'm not suggesting to you, oh, just have like a fake strike through price, because I feel like now people are starting to see it. Whereas now you should anchor the price at, let's say, $100 and don't have anything struck through or anything, but using things like email pop-ups or displaying discount codes at the top of the store. You could essentially anchor someone's mind at, hey, this product is worth $100, but applying this code would get it down to $79 or $80. And what a lot of brands do is they set this anchor price exceptionally high above their actual target sell price to increase the perceived value. The maths in this is really simple, right? So let's say a brand's target sell price is $100, right? And they can afford to give a 10% discount. But to be honest, like a 10% discount doesn't really it's not very appealing to, especially on cold traffic. It just doesn't really work as well as, let's say, something like 20, 33, or a 50% discount, or like buy 2 get 1 free, buy 3 get 1 free, things like that, right? So instead of, giving a bigger discount straight away, they give the impression that they're giving away a bigger discount by having the label price. So the label price is this price right here, be $120. So without having like a strike through price, right? People are going to think, oh, okay, this item is worth $120. Obviously, don't like price it ludicrously. So for example, if you're looking at the market as a whole and looking at all your competitors and everyone's pricing around the $100 range, then you could go slightly higher to the $120, $150 range max, right? It wouldn't make sense if you just mark the price as $9.99, right? They put the label price as $120 to generate a higher perceived value for your product, whether it be, hey, look, our products are higher quality, that's why we're able to charge $120, no BS, no strike through prices, nothing like that. And then they give a 20% discount, which converts much higher than the 10% discount. The final sold price is actually $98, which is $8 higher than if you gave a 10% discount, and it converts better. So it's only $2 below your original target sell price, and it converts better than a 10% discount and makes you more. So this strategy is how a lot of brands are able to give the bigger discounts, because they're not really giving anything away. Does that make sense? So for example, rather than giving a 10% discount, you just gave a 2% discount that converts higher. And this is how a lot of brands are able to really get the most juice for their squeeze when it comes to running promotional offers and things along those lines. So if you like the way that I just broke down the maths for you on offer creation, and you want help in generating, let's say, 20 to 30% of additional revenue for your store without spending more on ads, and you want to work with a real expert when it comes to email marketing, you want to learn from someone that knows what they're doing, feel free to book in a discovery call with me below and to see if there's a fit. And if there is a fit, I'll make an offer to you. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.